Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play free training in eFootball 2024. You can train your team and practice set piece from this feature. Before we start, I made this video is for beginners that are new into this game and still confusing how you can challenge the event, how to complete the mission so you can get ton of rewards from this game. And let's get started by tap the extras. Tap this training, learn match command. Tap this commands tutorial. You can play the classic commands tutorial as many times as you want. And also this free training. Train your team to your hard content with free training. You can also practice set pieces. So I want to show you this. Well, in this mode you can practice your attacking, practice your match. And this is the set piece: free kick, corner kick, left or right, and penalty kick as a kicker or as a goalkeeper. For example, let's tap the penalty kick. So there's an example from it. Click on the right side direction you want to kick the ball. Tap next. And this is the penalty kick from Kylian Mbappe. And the goalkeeper is very good. Let's try another. And I'm going to the middle. And goal. So please practice this free training every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.